I love life and I really love people. Sometimes someone get on my nerves and I have a little this with them, but that doesn't mean I hate them. I love everybody as much as I can because when you look at life and the life you live, for a slip of a moment, everything can be gone. You know, you live today doesn't mean you're gonna live tomorrow. So you just have to pray and ask God to help you and try to find peace in your heart and love. You have a lot of people out here, they're hateful. A lot of women, they envy, jealous, bad mind. You have a lot of men who also envy, bad mind, and jealous, you know. And you have a lot of women out here very evil. They see you have a man and you're talking to a man, and they know they don't want the man, but they want to destroy you in the man relationship. You know what I mean? And some of these men don't have enough sense to realize that it doesn't make no sense having 1, 2, 3, 4 lovers. And at the end of the day, you have no house, no car, nothing safe because you're spending on women, running behind different women because you're cheating. You know, you got to be conscious in this life what you want and what you really have and cherish what you have. You know, you can't expect to have a woman and don't treat her right and don't show her love and respect, but you want her to show you love and respect. You can't have a woman that you cheat on her and you don't want her to cheat on you. Things that you don't like for yourself, the other person don't like it. If you don't like it for yourself, it's not good enough for the other person. And that's how I look at life. You know? That's how I truly look at life. Love God, love yourself, love people. I don't care what no one say. I'm not partial, I'm not biased. Because I'm not God. I'm not perfect. I'm just a human being. Just like everyone else. I can hurt, I can cry. I can feel, I can hear. I'm a human being. You know what I mean? No one is perfect. But when people try to break you, you have to be stronger. If someone tell you you can't do something, you gotta show them that you can. You can. And you're going to. And you are doing it. Because faith is the most powerful thing you can have. Faith gives you strength. Knowledge is power. Yeah, so you have to know that. Many people come to break you. They come as your friend. They come to break you. They can't come as your enemy to break you. They have to come as your friend to break you, but not as your enemy. You can't trust nobody these days. Not even the man you sleep in bed with. It's hard to find someone to trust. It's hard to find someone to love and to give your heart to. It's hard to find someone you can let go and give all your heart to. And all your love to. It's really hard. Trust me, it's really hard. And when you know you fuck up and you keep fucking up, one day the basket go to river, keep pulling water in the basket, one day bottom is gonna fall out. And that is simple and clear. A lot of people do not know how to respect their partner. Respect themselves. You gotta respect yourself to respect your woman. Because if you expect you can run around all kind of women and not respecting yourself, how the fuck you gonna respect your woman? You can't respect her. You gotta respect yourself first. I love my life and I love me. I can live without a man forever. I don't have to have a relationship with a man to be happy. Because I love myself. And I love God. And I was born alone. I wasn't born with no man. Some women, they can't live without a man. They kill up themselves. They're crying. They kill up themselves. You know, it's nonsense. The only person you should kill up yourself and crying over is Jesus Christ, the living God. Nobody else. Absolutely nobody else. Trust me. Some of them come around you, they come with iniquity. They come with evil. And the evil strong, I'm telling you. I got this African woman, she's my friend. I met her a couple years ago and she come to buy a skin cream from me. And she's so beautiful, beautiful, beautiful lady. And I talked to her sister in London last year. She was on the phone. I run up to her in the street and she said, speak with my sister. I told her I know you. She saw your video and she loved them. And I speak with her. And she was so nice, you know what I mean? And I saw the lady 6 months ago. She told me her sister just died in her sleep. She said her mother died. Her father died. Her husband is very sickly. She's very sickly. And she got cancer. And the woman looked like she's 90 years old. She become very dark and wrinkled to nothing. My God, I've never seen anything like this. You know what I mean? Someone said, don't like the black and white. I love the black and white. It's so old time. I just really love black and white. The black and white film, I really love it. Some people say they want to see me natural. They don't want to see me in the black and white. But I love it. So bear with me sometimes. Right? I love you guys. Don't forget, subscribe and love, share. Don't forget to share my videos. Know I love you guys. Always try to put a smile on your face. And even if I'm in a bad day, always make sure you guys have a good day. Right? God is good and His mercy endure forever. And we say New Year is coming, so there's new things we have planned for New Year's. Don't worry about it. Stick with me, I stick with you. Love is love and unconditional love. Yeah. So life is not promising all the time. You bloom like this beautiful and young. And when you get old, you get wrinkled. And most of this beauty will be gone. So you have to thank God for what you have. Don't worry about who hates you and jealous of you. Just try to be more beautiful the more they hate you. Love you.